Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 3. How are you all? Hope you will be fine and enjoying good health in these days. In the previous lecture we have discussed how to add money. In this video we will learn subtraction of money. Today our topic is subtraction of money. The small letter T after the decimal point shows tenth. What it shows? Tenth. And the small letter H after the decimal point shows hundred. What it shows? Hundredth. Here we have two numbers, or we can say that we have 30 rupees and 85 paisas and 25 rupees and 50 paisas. We have to subtract 25 rupees and 50 paisas from 30 rupees and 85 paisas. We can borrow as we do in subtraction of numbers. First of all, we start from hundreds. We will subtract hundredth. In hundredth column there is 5 and 0. We have to subtract 0 from 5. Students, think about it and tell me, what will be the answer if we subtract 0 from 5? Yes? We get 5. If we subtract 0 from any number, we get the same number. It means if we subtract 0 from 5, we will get 5. Now we will move towards the left, and the next column is tenths. We will subtract tenth. In tenth column there is 7 and 5. From 7 we have to subtract 5. What will be the answer if we subtract 5 from 7? Yes, students, think about it. Do subtraction and tell me the answer. From 7 we will subtract 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we are left with 1, 2. It means if we subtract 5 from 7, we get 2. The decimal point must be aligned according to the place value. We will place decimal point here. Now we will subtract units. We will subtract units. In units column there is 0 and 5. We have to subtract 5 from 0. But we cannot take away 5 units out of 0 units. What will we do now? Think about it, students. What will be the next step? We take borrow. We take borrow, as we do in subtraction of numbers. From 3 tens we will take 1 ten borrow, and here we are left with 2 tens. Now we have 10 units. Now we have 10 units. From 10 units we can easily subtract 5 units. From 10 units we will subtract 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And here we are left with 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It means from 10 units, if we take away 5 units, we are left with 5 units. Now we will move towards tens. In tens column there is 2. From 2 we have to subtract 2. From 2 if we subtract 1, 2. We are left with 0. If we subtract the same number, we get 0. From 2 if we subtract 2, we get 0. If there is 0 on the highest place value, we don't write 0. It means From 30 rupees 75 paisas, if we subtract 25 rupees 50 paisas, we are left with 5 rupees and 25 paisas. In this video, we have discussed how to subtract money. In the next video, we will discuss how to read time on clock. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.